Hello everybody, this is Staten Island Prepper. I like to report earthquake that you probably already know about here in Staten Island. I was sitting in a recliner reading. The recliner violently shook from side to side for about 2 minutes. My wife was upstairs working on the computer. Her whole computer desk started to shake. We have some minor cracks in the walls. I actually was on the phone with the USGS talking to them in Virginia, and they got an alert to leave the building. It was extremely loud. The china in the china closet also started to rattle back and forth. Some pictures on the wall did actually come away from the wall and bang against it moderately. There was no doubt in my mind that this was a significant event. I've just been speaking to the USGS, and they said to expect afterquake, within the next anywhere from 24 to 72 hours. It could be actually a week later. I hope everybody's okay. If everybody out there that sees this and subscribes to me, just drop a quick video in to, let me know everybody's all right. Rob, I hope you're okay. Jose, I hope you're okay. I believe it was felt all the way to Rhode Island. I have cousins in the New York Canadian border. They felt it. So the one point I want to make here is that immediately following the quake, cell phones were dead. Absolutely no communication via cell phone. Landlines still work, but the cell phones were totally dead because of volume. So maybe we all should watch Yankee Prepper's video on shortwave radios. I could see where communications would come in handy. What did I do? As soon as the quake stopped, I ran to get my bug-out bags and my pistol and a box of ammo can to throw in the car. And actually I was going to throw them onto the front lawn just to get out of the house, because the aftershocks, we don't know. They could be equal to or less than the original quake according to USGS. So I hope everybody's okay, and from what I hear, people are okay. Inspect your house, make sure your porch didn't pull away from the foundation, make sure awnings are still significantly attached, air conditioners, if their window units are still attached. If you smell gas, of course, dial 911, get out of the house. But this was a real good eye-opener onto what could happen. And since I live in Staten Island, New York, there are 4 bridges that connect me with any mainland. And obviously an event like this and or 911, they probably would be closed. So they say no man is an island. I am. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, take heed, take warning. This was a good eye-opener for the people on the East Coast. All right, and I hope to hear from all my buddies out there soon. Brooklyn Prepper, hope you're okay. I'm sure you're fine. Take care, guys. Staten Island Prepper, Vito, that's me, signing off.